Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer Ring Alarm base station to a new Ring account, full guide step by step clearly. To transfer your Ring Alarm base station to a new Ring account, start by ensuring that both the old and new accounts are accessible. Log into the current Ring account associated with your alarm base station. Access the Devices section in the Ring app. Locate the Ring Alarm base station you wish to transfer. Tap on the base station to view its settings. Scroll down and select the option to remove device or delete device. Confirm your choice to remove the base station from the account. Next, log out of the current Ring account. Log into the new Ring account where you want to transfer the base station. Return to the Devices section in the Ring app. Select Set up a device to initiate the transfer process. Choose Alarm as the type of device. Follow the on-screen prompts to power on the base station. Press the Setup button on the base station to begin pairing. Wait for the app to detect the base station. Once detected, follow the instructions to complete the setup. Ensure that the base station is connected to Wi-Fi during this process. After setup is complete, verify that all settings and features are functioning correctly on the new account. Congratulations, your Ring Alarm base station is now successfully transferred to the new Ring account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.